Hello guys, today I will show you how to factory reset Samsung's S10 Plus, as well as factory reset protection for First of all, make sure you have Chimera account or Chimera dongle, then follow these steps. Press volume up plus power button, release for few seconds. The phone is entering in recovery mode. After entering recovery mode, scroll down, use volume down button, select factory reset all data in. After factory reset done, select reboot system, no. Waiting phone to start, open Chimera. After phone detecting in Chimera, select repair option, then press remove far. After phone start, go to emergency calls option and type this code #0#. This code special for test your phone. It pop up to allow us debugging. Click yes. everyone and thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe my channel.